Hey, Camille.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. Looking a little bit more like a bathroom in here, right?
It is. It's really coming together.
You can,
Okay, so what's next here?
well, as you can see, we have all the insulation in. I know you guys worked extremely hard on the insulating of the garage.
Not as hard as your team, but we did
Well,
our little part.
And now we're ready for drywall.
Okay.
So that's starting now. Abraham's working in the garage right now. He's getting that all drywalled, and he's going to work his way in here.
So if drywall is next, is that something that when we do the second phase of this afterwards that we could do on our own, or would you not recommend that?
It really depends on what your comfort level is and what you're interested in taking on yourselves. Drywall is a complicated skill, so we always recommend that when you're considering DIYing something, that you consider the equation of how much it costs if you're having somebody do it, and then how much it costs if you're doing it. But that is only if you don't make any mistakes. If you have to go back for a second trip because you made a cut that wasn't quite right, and then you're maybe wasting more material, so you have to buy extra.
Yeah, and I'm sure we would learn some from
Yeah.
trial and error in that
Yeah,
process.
and especially a space like this, it's a really small area. There's a lot of cuts. There's probably only one single sheet of drywall, like full sheet up. Everything else is smaller cuts.
Yeah, so it'd be a real puzzle.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a puzzle, exactly. But I think the most important thing to keep in mind is it's your time. Like, what's your time worth? What are the materials going to cost you? If you're going to buy tools for this project, are you going to store them afterwards? So you're going to rent tools, then that's an added cost.
Right. Yeah.
So
it's really making that fully informed decision about what will this actually cost? How much
Yes.
does it actually save us, and is it really
Right.
worthwhile?
Yeah, and maybe it is. Maybe it's totally worth it, and you've done a lot of research on how to install drywall, and you've practiced before, and that's something that you really want to do. Then by all means, it's your home. You should get to get your hands dirty and do those tasks that really excite you.
Okay.
For me, that's not drywall.
I was going to
but-
say, I don't think it is for me either. So Nick and I have gone back and forth on what to do ourselves and what to contract out. And what we've probably talked about most is drywall, whether or not to do that ourselves. And I think with all the advice we're getting, it's sounding like that's probably not the thing for us to take on. And so we'll take on the other things that we can and find partners for that.
So Hannah and I just went over all of the progress at the job site right now. The garage is actually already drywalled, which is fantastic. Gotta get the shower pan in soon, so.
Okay, that's exciting.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.